Wait 5 minutes. This is a 304 interview questions. This is the topics covered. Explain what's new in IBM Installation Manager version 8, 1.8. You can now install and uninstall a product using same kit. Yes, we do. By using Installation Manager, we can install, update, rollback. I will show you. Login as VAS admin, VAS admin @123 CD OPT IM. This is the my package. Install it. See, by using dot slash install, by using this command to install the IBM installation manager, by using this we can install, update, rollback, uninstall the product by using any packages. VAS or iPix or Internfix, IBM Intelligence and everything. Need to go to root. Root permission is required this. So I went root and I ran dot slash install by using this command to install the IM using GUI mode. I will show you how to install and update rollback the patches, how to check version. See, this is IM. Cancel means close. I will show you update, rollback, uninstall the patches. Next, already I have updated version. It will show already installed. See, accept license. Next, already installed. Okay. Next, okay, not comes. Installing the installation manager as GUI mode. Install in different locations. OPT IBM B is silent. I have set by using this. You can install, update, rollback, uninstall the patches. Will show you. See, this is about installation manager IIM. IIM is IBM installation manager. By using this, we can install, update, modify, rollback, and uninstall the products. We can add the repositories here. Okay, we can add repositories. Add repositories. Can you add here? Mm, go to other locations. Computer and OPT under VAS. Use repository.config. Add. Okay, apply. Or we can use test connection. All repositories are connected. Okay. Okay. By using this, now first time install, say, select and check other version and fixes. I use my own password. 324 pixels. What is the version? 18 version. Okay. Install. Next, 855 18 need to be installing the IM wares. Like that, we need to install, update, everything need to be installed comes under this. Okay, this GUI mode create using write XML file to install the style mode. Invoke multiple operations in silent mode. Everything knows silent mode. You have already installed WAS. Can you check repositories for installing the server? You cannot check by using n.ni register file anymore. Is version WebSphere application server version 5 allowed over system I in remote mode? WebSphere application server version 5 doesn't have a GUI interface, so if it is not possible. Okay, what is the causes abrupt stoppage of WebSphere application server installation over system I without creating a log file? Cloud stop obviously without creating log file if host name is not defined. Suppose we create installations by using host. If no host is not defined, it will automatically installation is not installed. What can go wrong with the profile creation, including any special characters cannot support in the local host, and profile may not be created. Special characters are usually not supported as a host name. Special characters not supported as a host name. What happens application server installed on the platform when it is already has been installed? Already it will show already installed before going to install it. Okay, you already seen this. What is application server 8 using IIM on system I? IIM IBM installation manager cannot be installed application server 8 over the system. You need Q shell command. Okay, Unix shell command for the same. By using IIM, we can install WAS and fixpack related by using shell scripts. Can you schedule IIM instance installation manager or jet by OS certain time after? Yes, you can done by submitting installation job in the job batch mode. You can consider one scenario unsuccessful installation of WAS. We want to reinstall. What shall he do? For more information using next installation about the cause of unsuccessful installation, we need to reinstall WAS with turning tracing on. Okay, how to make sure application server installation was successful by using post install.logger application verification tool. There is a verification tool is there. In the verification tool we can install the profile. I will show you what is verification tool. After creation of profiles at the end GUI mode, at the end we can run the verification tool that is mandatory for profiles. Dot slash pmt dot sh tool can run the profiles in the GUI mode. Suppose I am installing the WAS successfully successfully not installed, we can create the log file and we can generate what is the errors. We can identify, we can use installing. Okay, Okay, you can use root, right? I am installing VS product in another mode. If not comes here, I will open in the GUI mode. I will show you. Okay, I will show you in the GUI mode. Go to C drive, GANESH, IBM WebSphere, App Server, bin, profile management, use Windows or CMD, Control Shift to delete, Control Shift, Control Shift pmt.bat. It will open profile management tool. I will create profile using GUI mode like this. See, I will create. I am using application server, new, next, typical or custom. I am using custom. I am creating advanced mode and next, make sure profile is default. DMGR is by default. Okay, this is standard alone application server. See Ganesh root by using server 1. I have no need to give server 1. I will give my own server name. Host is host. Next, enable security. I am not enable the security for this. This is the certificate creating personal certificate. This is the port numbers. This is the log file. No web server definition. Nothing is there. Next, create. This is the creation of profiles in the GUI mode. After creation, there is one verification tool is there. Okay, must also be verification tool. Otherwise, profile is not created successfully. See, 18. Next, going to install patches. VAS product installing 85518. Accept license of VAS product. Like that, we can use GUI mode for creating. Already IBM IM is there. We cannot create like this. Okay. We can create IBM IM. Okay. See, installation directory contains existing applications or existing current files. So in this we cannot create this. So I will use small. Okay, small IBM. You can install. English is by default selected. Installing. After this, see, this is verification tool, profile management tool. Profile is successfully launched. The first step console. Finish. No need to create. After opening here, opening one tool. This is verification tool. We need to verify the tools profile. Next, this is JDK 3264-bit. Side by side installing and profiles creation side by side. Starting running command. See, start server.bat and profile name. Starting any issues you can identify here. You can use start server.bat in Windows, but in the Linux, start server.sh is the script. You can use like this. After this, say how to make installation verification tool completed. So administration, in a in under which circumstances VAS contained registry server for the information, checking the related certificate against user ID, checking the group information, converting user ID to unique IDs. Explain extended deployment. There is extreme scale is there. In extreme scale, virtual enterprise and computer grade all together to form a optimized resources. Okay, for installing the application by using admin app to install the application and you can deploy the application. Admin start to create environment or delete existing one. Admin configuration, let it change existing environment. Admin control to start and stop the service. What is the purpose of admin objects? This is the admin object, admin app, admin task, admin config, admin control. Okay, this is the things. Explain DMGR. DMGR is the deployment manager for to manage all application servers in the console. How to disable the security? Security.xml to use disable the security. Enable is equal to true, enable is equal to false. Explain take backup while server is running dot slash backup config.sh hyphen no stop. I will show you. Profile cd app server 1 cd bin. I will start my server. I will start my server. I will start my server and after server running, I taken backup by using hyphen no stop command. Okay. Like this, we can install. So installation is going on as GA mode. Profile installation verification is completed. See, successfully completed. This is the verification tool. Actually, this Say exit. If you delete a profile by using, you can delete, no issues reported. Manage profiles dot bat hyphen delete hyphen profile name app srv03. That's it. If you delete the profile by using manage profiles dot sh dot bat in the Windows. Say profile is running, so we need to stop profiles. This is the GUI mode. GUI mode automatically server is running. I will close. So installation is going on GUI mode. Yes, installation in the GUI mode. Like this, you can create, install, update, rollback. Everything is IIM, IIM, IBM. I means IBM. Next IM is installation manager. I will show you the evidence. How to delete the profiles in the non-Linux platforms. Non-Linux means Windows. Assume that backend cd bin cls stop the server and delete profiles. Suppose any patches installations is going on in your environment, all servers must and should be stop state. There is no installation, no server is running during the installation of any patches in your server, either Linux patchy or WAS patch. Server is must and should be stopped it, otherwise running process are detected. We cannot move further. That is the reason can stop the servers without affecting your product. I will show you how to take the backup by using when the server is running. That is the thing. I will start my servers. I will show you the evidence in this session. Dot slash backup config dot sh space hyphen no stop command using in this. See, profile is no longer to create, no longer visible. So I am go to here profiles. I am deleting manually here. After delete command is executed, we can delete here. After this, go to the logs, go to the manage profiles and delete here. That's it. Everything is okay. My server is running. I'm starting my cluster also. Then I will take backup by using backup config.sh hyphen no stop. Same command I will execute in the my laptop. This is the most interview question. Asymmetric cluster I will explain. Don't worry. This is the 16th question I am going to verify. After this, how to disable the security, I will show you how to enable and disable the security. I will show you in this class. See, my server is running dot slash backup config dot sh hyphen no stop the servers. Why stop? No issues. I am running the business, so you cannot stop the server. You can take backup by using dot slash backup config dot sh hyphen no stop. You can use this script. You can take the backup or restore. You can use restore. You can use restore config dot sh. You can use the script. You can use the file restore also. If any mistakenly delete, we can restore the files by using restore config.sh. See, this is the servers taken backup. Stop all servers, running servers. Servers were now stopped. Like this, we can restoring successfully renamed. Okay, begin the preparation. 1604 files are restored. Begin asset preparation processing completed. So I am going to verify the security is enabled or not. Cells dmgr cell in this vim security.xml. This is the file. Enable is the enable or disable. This if security is disabled, false means security is disabled, true means security is enabled. How to go this means you can go and you can use this arrows in the keyboard. You can arrow enable true, insert, and we can press true and exit. Okay, like this security is enable or disabled. We can verify. We explain the fix pack. Fix pack consists of remove the bugs existing environment. We can apply the patches for the current environment and the security vulnerabilities. Like that, we can install the patches by using. Currently, we are 90518 the fixback is there in current market, and 85525 is the market currently we are using in environments. This is the 17th question completed. 18th question. Explain symmetric cluster and symmetric cluster. Asymmetric cluster helps create runtime partitions in run on single cluster at one time. Any workspace for cluster will be redirected automatically. Okay, suppose I am creating the cluster in my environment. Automatically partition is divided by using runtime wait. Wait is 2 by using explain WebSphere commerce. Okay, interact with the customers and channel partitions, business partners. Okay, this is nothing. Explain architecture. Architecture. Okay, client send request to the DNS to load balancer to VAS, load balancer to WAF to IHS to IHS to application server to database by using this J2D server and web servers, and IBM support web server supports DB2 like this architecture flow. What is PMT? Profile Management Tool Migration. By default, migration wizard does not enable any service, provide only minimal functionality, so all profile will not be up and running. Administrator has upgraded the entire application by using profiles version 6.1 to 8. When using PMT, how he make sure available Windows service and retain after migration. Enable services first, start wizard, create new profile. Point to profile means directional link of migration wizard. Where site installed earlier version will not be function unless where site is installed after that earlier versions it will not be functional. Function is not supported. We can roll back, then it will support it by using rollback command. Dot slash imcl rollback offering ID of the fixed pack. I will show you. cd bin. We can identify history info.sh. In this, we can identify 85521 failure last time. So rollback previous version. This is the script you can use. Go to installation manager, Eclipse tools, dot slash imcl rollback offering ID of the WebSphere hyphen installation directory opt IBM WebSphere app server hyphen as a license is not required hyphen so progress hyphen DL opt IBM WebSphere IM shared. Okay, this is the rollback. We can use this command. Say some issues do not consist of existing. Okay, I already rollback another installed by another user. So this is the thing. We can use VAS admin. My installation is done by VAS admin. You cannot delete. I cannot roll back another user. See, this is the thing happen. So once you install in any user, we can master should be switch. Then only we can uninstall the product. Otherwise, we cannot uninstall or roll back. Master should be switch VAS admin. Then only uninstall the product or roll back. Okay, like that. Like that we can verify. This is the command. Okay, this is the script. I will how much percentage. Okay, installation package is going on. It will going. Okay, this is the command. I will stop this backward not required. So this is the command to roll back any patches. Okay. So which option to application server lets you control it user or admin VAS admin commands to control the all admin console. How to delete the console by using deploy console dot sh hyphen remove. You can remove the console also. I will show you how to remove the console dot slash deploy console dot sh and remove. You can use was whom cd bin deploy console.py is there. We can remove this command I entered already. 1 minute. cd profiles dmjar bin. See, by using this dot slash deploy console.y and remove, and we can install management is not running pwd dot slash start server dot sh dmjar. We can remove and we can install the package. We can reinstall we can install the console by using ws admin.sh space deploy console.py python script. We can remove and reinstall the console. How to this is the one of the interview question and certification questions. How to remove the console and how to install the console by using wsadmin.sh space -y deploy console.py space hyphen remove space remove. Then pass the arguments. Say I will remove deploy console.sh. Say successfully create application installed uninstalled successfully. So I will reinstall the console dmjar console. See server index entry updated successfully deleted. See configuration is deleted. Okay. Say installation is going on. Stored arguments installed. Installing admin console. See this is the ER file for a console purpose. If we delete this, application cannot be exist. See, deployment.xml updating. See, setting all dot slash start server dot sh dmgr. I will start my dmgr now after delete and install. This is the new question, interview question. Recently we faced interview questions. How to delete the console and how to install the console by using dot slash ws admin dot sh. Already server is running, no issues. Yes, I found F pipe symbol grep dmgr. My server is running without effect. This is the way to delete and install the like this. Say I already seen how to delete the profile by using manage profile.sh hyphen delete and hyphen profile name. There is must should be stop the server. Then we can delete the profile. So many profiles. We can federate the DMGR by using add node.sh command. By using we can federate. I will show you. I will show you in the Linux Windows server to Linux machine federation. We will do it in the federation. Linux machine to Windows machine federation. I am creating the profile, normal profile, cd profile management pmt.bat, and I will create and I will federate it into the Linux machine. I am creating application server profile and federated into the DMGR of Linux box. This is possible 100%. My video also is there. This is federation Windows profile to Linux DMGR. Please watch this. You can use. There is no security enabled for my profile. I will show you Windows profile, application server, and Linux DMGR. We can federation is applicable or not? Yes, it is applicable. This is the one of the interview question, latest interview question. And multiple profiles to get federated into the DMGR by using yard node.sh space DMGR host name or IP address space DMGR soap connector port number. So my is Windows and Linux profiles yard node.bat space dmgr profile of Linux dmgr IP address of the Linux box and soap connector of the dmgr Linux box soap connector IP address. We will show you in the session. Profile installation verification. Previously we have deleted the profile, so we can recreate same name profile after deleting. So this time I am federating Windows profile to DMGR box. Okay, we will see. Start running the following command. This is the profile verification tool, one of the certification question. Wait 2 more minutes. It will start. After this, yes, we can federation is doing the next step. Installation verification is completed. Okay, I will exit. I will federate DMGR. Now I am federating CD profiles, CD app server 3 and CD bin CLS. Yeah, no dot bat. This is the Linux box IP address. See, 19005. I am federating Linux DMGR to application server 3 profile Windows to Linux. See, this is different versions. That is the thing happened. Where both are in same version, then only applicable. Okay. Suppose this is the same question, certification. We have migrated in the two profiles. Some cells are not migrated. We can deploy the file. There is no deployment happen. There is no add notice happen. So that wise I will see in this two different version. We cannot federate the node. My is the version of deployment manager is 85521 and earlier than node. We have node is 90516. Verify version info.bat. Say 90516 and 85521 cannot be federated two versions. This is the certification question. Okay, like that cannot federated two versions. Okay, that is the reason I am not able to federate. My video is there. One video I created how to federate Windows profile to Linux profile in my channel. Verify that. Manage profiles.bat delete profile name appsrv03. Profile is must should be running state, no running state. I will stop the profiles. CD app server 3 and a bin stop server.bat was server, like that. After this Okay, federation completed. You can enable SSO application over. Yes, you can during profile creation. You can enable SSOs. So suppose we need to federate node system iBox into DMGR Windows. Line is possible. Yes, over then we can federate the node. Same thing I did. Okay, but two versions is same. While system I is running, you can take copy of system order. No, all log files are blocked during the runtime. Is there any way to administer your application server over rather than in admin console? Yes, using HTTP admin console. You can use make application mapping in web server application where console successfully. View plugin config file. Make sure URI element under URI group. I will show you. I will show you the evidence. Okay, in this is the plugin cfg.xml. In the plugins cfg copy cp space. You can take backup of XML for future purpose. Vim plugin cfg.xml. There is URI. See, URI is there, right? Plans by WebSphere context root. See, under cluster level. This same thing. See, URI element under URI group. Name of attribute equal to context root of the application. This is evidence. Okay. This is the evidence. And I map the virtual host and a virtual host like this. What is the way to avoid port conflict adding member to a cluster? Port conflict can avoid the selection of generating unique HTTP ports. Specify 3 ways to federate the node to the cell by using admin console or add node command by using profile management tool. I already did. How to administer HTTP session replication by using cluster high availability entire domain. Okay, what should you administer in order to Apache web server on remote machine using DMGR? We should configure web server definition using manager node to a remote host. Suppose we created web server by using unmanaged node, you can create web server and integrated with application server by using unmanaged node or manager node. Suppose we start and stop web server when your node is managed. Unmanaged node cannot stop the web server and start the web server in the console. We stop but not able to start the console web server. That is the thing happened. How can you install Fixpack using centralized installation manager? Yes, you can install the Fixpack by using installation manager. How do you manage more than one application server, standalone server? You can use multiple standards using job manager. You can use administration agent, job manager to manage the all administrator agents. What is network deployment cell flexibility? Network deployment consists of cell topology, and high availability manager. We can use WAS 8.5 onwards. ND is going on. Suppose resource while application scope we can accomplish that removing IBM config folder, meta INF folder, VAS root, remove resource enhancer with application scope. Another option company so uninstall the ER file. Is it possible to manage SIP? No. Java enterprise servlets are protected by method of permissions. Job manager can also see binding it to deploy the deployment descriptor. State 3 ways to enable garbage collection using admin script. and using verbose garbage collection using generic JVM argument -x GC policy non say -x GC policy verbose. I will show you in the console. I will show you. I deleted, right? Reinstall. I am stop and start the DMJ. That's it. DMJ are not running. Okay. No process found. That is the reason. Okay. Stop. If any file ER file deleted, some console, DMJ console also ER file is there. Don't delete any files. Okay, like this you can see. This is okay. Some sample questions, and I will show you one small interview questions. See, 35, I think. See, what is the WebSphere? WebSphere is the IBM product. Is the IBM product. It is an IBM product. To install the all Java applications, you can install. What is profile? Profile is a profile. What is a profile in WebSphere application server? Profile is nothing but a configuration and include configurations, logs, template, temps, temp. What is there? What does node is a communication between DMJ and application server? What is the sync? Sync means any unconfiguration saved in the DMJ master repositories. Communication between how to what is the WebSphere plugins means the communication between DM communication between web server to application server by using plugins cfg.xml. How do I install the plugins? By using installation manager dot plus imcl install offering ID of the plugins. I find installation directory. I find accept license, subogrades, and I find repositories. I don't want to WebSphere installation on my web server. I add WebSphere admin console. Okay. Do I need web server and WebSphere application server? Do I need web server if I have WebSphere? Yes. We can integrate purpose. Yes. How do you edit or modify a property or configuration file by using VI editor? What happens if DMJR is not running? We are not able to deploy. I am installing the new application before accessing the my web server URL. Yes, by using admin script, we can use deploy the application. What is a connection pool properties? Minimum and maximum connections and purge policies we are using. What is the virtual host? All port numbers must should be configured under the virtual host. Virtual host.xml file. How to connect application talking the database by using JDBC providers and security of the database, username and passwords. How do you servers available after restarting the cluster? Yes. We can server status is there. We can check the server status. I will show you virtual host. See, the port number is not registered, so it will comes virtual host is not a handle. Okay, I will show you how to garbage collections we can do in the console. See, go to servers, go to click any server, create, click particular test cluster one, go to Java process management, click expand process definitions under Java virtual machines. We can enable or we can use here -x gc policy gencon or balanced. We can use like this, and we can use admin script like this. We can enable or disable. Okay. Okay, how to connect my application? I already discussed it after restarting some changes of my applications. Web.xml. How do we should update the file? We can update ER file by using here. Go to applications, application types, WebSphere, enterprise application. There is select application and update, rollout update. By using this, we can automatically web.xml is updating. We already verify how to minimize the downtime. I am updating the application. We take downtime. How do I minimize downtime while I am updating the application? Without a business time, we can take deployment. We are getting the class not found exception. Developers like to know if class is being loaded or not. How can I assist? I'm troubleshooting the issue. We can verify logs, and we can verify the ER file by using Java decompiler and verify each and every class file and troubleshoot it. We can assist. This class file is not loaded. Please verify. We can assist like that. How we have some issues. Our application server. We try to killing by using kill.hyphen command. Process it appears a few seconds, and it will back again. We did. What is that means? We can kill -9. After that, we can after killing 3-4 times, it will automatically service stop it. Okay, how can I start my server along with node agent dot slash start node dot sh space call and dot slash start server dot sh, and can use and symbol cd along with node agent start node dot bat and dot slash start server dot sh where server. This is the command asking. See, any difference? WebLogic is a Oracle and WebSphere is the IBM. It is WebLogic is open source. This is the purchase license. How do you choose WebSphere over the other application servers? It is a cost up. It is, WebSphere is the payable, and WebLogic and Apache Tomcat is open source. WebLogic is a open source software, but WebSphere is you can purchase like that. What is the deployment descriptor? All the class files are loaded in the descriptors. How many ways to deploy the application website? There is 3 ways to deploy the application. One is command mode script ws admin.sh app install. I will show you the command. This is the script. See, dot slash ws admin dot sh hyphen port dollar admin app install. This is the script. You can use, this is the reference URL. You can use this. Okay. For that, there is and another thing is admin console and side by side deployment. What is different web server and application? Web server consists of only static information. Application server consists of dynamic information. Web server consists of JSPs and servlets. Application server consists of EJBs, enterprise Java beans. Okay, what is the JDBC and OJDBC bridge type 1 driver, and it will consist of JDBC provided Java database connectivity URLs, like the what is the difference already seen. Application server. Okay, what type of files required to deploy the application? ER files completed. What's the entire WebSphere logs? They created different drives, installation route. There is VAS admin user and root user and a GUI mode purpose we can creating this. What is the virtual host? Virtual host consists of all port number must and should be configured under virtual host. Okay. Or how do I connect application by using database? By using IP address and a port number and security and a resource.xml file is updating. How do server available after restarting cluster? Server is by select cluster, go to the cluster. Okay, select cluster and select and repo start. After repo start, server is available. Okay, after available, it will start. How to make server is available? Okay, I have made some changes of my application web.xml. How should you update file? You can contact the application team. They will by using a role update. Okay, this is the things completed. This is the 42 questions. The only 35 questions is there. We can most interview questions. Okay, go to this and we can interview questions. Okay, this is the disable. Okay. Okay, we can stop the session. Okay, please share to all your friends. Okay, thank you for please subscribe the channel and we have share to your friends and family members. It may be helpful to you others.